In a dream time, the clever man spilling wisdom divine, divine, teaching the dreamtime soldiers about the bird colors they find. Black-winged birds devoid of hue, longing for a sign. All crow brought to his aid a tale so pure and refined. Caring souls unite, breaking monotony's bind. How the birds got their colors, a story so bold. In the dreamtime, kindness shines, a narrative told. From a swelling foot to a burst of shade, behold, birds transformed, a sight to behold. Crow's compassion, a catalyst, colors in a mold. Pigments bursting forth, a sight to unfold. Wings ablaze and hues unrolled. Dreamtime tale forever retold. Empathy and care, a legacy as we're told. How the birds got their colors, a story so bold. In the dreamtime, kindness shines, a narrative told. From a swelling foot to a burst of shade, behold, birds transformed, a sight to behold. Empathy and care, a legacy as we're told. How the birds got their colors, a story so bold. In the dreamtime, kindness shines, a narrative told. From a swelling foot to a burst of shade, behold, birds transformed, a sight to behold. And the birds got their colors, a story so bold. In the dreamtime, kindness shines, a narrative told. From a swelling foot to a burst of shade, behold, birds transformed, a sight to behold.